In the dense jungles of Vietnam during the 1960s, US soldiers weren't just battling an enemy they could barely see. They were stepping into a war fought in darkness. When night fell, fear ruled. To fight back, the military introduced night vision technology, early starlight scopes that transformed night into a glowing green battlefield. But with that new vision came something nobody expected. These night vision goggles didn't just help soldiers see, they changed the way they saw everything. The jungle, already disorienting in daylight, now became a dreamlike realm of glowing shadows, flickering leaves, and strange silhouettes. For some soldiers, this eerie new world seemed to reveal more than just the enemy. Reports began surfacing of soldiers claiming they saw things that didn't look human. Creatures with wings, eyes glowing in the darkness. Shapes that hovered, shifted, and vanished. Some swore they saw flying demons, dark figures flitting just outside the edge of the scope's field of view. Were these hallucinations? The effects of fear and fatigue? Or did the goggles reveal something more? Men who had seen the worst of combat were rattled by what they experienced through the scopes. They described seeing humanoid forms perched in trees, watching them with silent intensity. Others reported whispering voices they couldn't trace, and some even claimed these visions coincided with sudden deaths or disappearances of fellow soldiers. The strange sightings were never officially documented in detail, but the whispers among the troops spread fast. Some refused to use the scopes after dark. Others insisted the goggles were cursed or opened a portal to another dimension, one best left unseen. When science tries to enhance human vision, it also amplifies imagination, and perhaps something else. The mind under extreme stress is capable of strange things. Combine that with sensory deprivation, exhaustion, and fear, and hallucinations become very real. But the stories didn't stop. Even decades later, veterans recalled those nights when the jungle didn't just feel alive, it felt haunted. Was it mass hysteria, group delusion, or did the red-filtered scopes briefly tune into something hidden in the darkness, something waiting, watching? The legend of demonic sightings through Vietnam's night vision remains one of the most chilling and unexplained episodes from the war. Whether it was psychological or paranormal, what the soldiers saw stayed with them long after they returned home. These aren't stories you'll find in military textbooks, but among those who were there in the thick of the jungle with starlight scopes to their eyes, the memories remain vivid and terrifying. Sometimes, the scariest things in war aren't the enemies you fight, but what you see when you least expect it. Because when you bring light into the darkest places, you never know what might be looking back.